Today we are in Crystal River, and we had a suggestion to do a tour of downtown Crystal River. We've been to downtown quite a bit. It's a neat little downtown. It's not super large, but there's some pretty cool shops they have around here. And then we'll just show you the area. There's a splash pad right over here, and you're also not too far from Three Sister Springs, which has the manatees, and it's almost manatee season.
That's true.
Coming right up. So it gets pretty popular in the summer and during like the holidays and when manatees are here. So let's go check it out. There's the water tower, and there's the little splash pad right down there. There's parking right here. There's some really nice restrooms, little water fountain. And then if we head this way, you can kind of see, here's kind of the main strip, and it goes all the way past the light. And parking is free. You can park anywhere over here. And here is the trolley stop. You can see there's golf cart parking after 5 p.m. and a Crystal River trolley stop. Now, back to the Three Sister Springs. We have walked from this parking lot. It's a pretty long walk, but I would have to look online. I know they have little buses that can pick you up. I'm not sure if they pick you up at this location or not, but you can catch a bus over to see the manatees. And then right here, look at this mural they have painted on here. I love this mural. Crystal River, Florida. You've got the kayaker, the birds, manatee, and it goes all the way down here. Nice fall decorations out. The adventure starts here, all the way down there at the end. And I think what we'll do is we'll eventually go all the way down here and look at all this. But I think we're gonna start this way and go towards the kind of end, and then make our way, maybe we'll make our way down this side, go all the way down, and then come back this way. Our first store is the Explorida Adventure Center. Opens 8 to 4 Monday through Sunday. Looks like they got a lot of cool little shirts and items like that. Manatee, swim tours, wildlife, eco cruises, scallop charters, manatee, gift shop. And on down past that, we have, looks like a Amy's on the Avenue, so a restaurant, or a boutique bakery and bistro rather. Hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 8:30 to 4. Nice little sign there. Look at the inside. Let's see if you can see through the glass. Looks like a neat little place. And if we head this way, we have, what do we have here? Oh, it's under construction right now. So it looks like it was or is general contractor around the corner. Not sure what this building is. Maybe oh, there's a Coldwell Banker Next Generation Realty. So maybe they're using it for that, or maybe it's getting remodeled. I'm not sure. And then Norton's is over there. That's a really good restaurant. And if we head across the road, here is Cane's Cattle Co. Cane's Cattle Co. Steakhouse. Pretty cool. You can see some more of their fall decor, City of Crystal River. This building doesn't look like it's used for anything. Oh, it says Stanley's Cafe in 1925, but I think that obviously isn't being used for anything, I guess. Big hammerhead shark. Another shark. This is the Coastal Heritage Museum. Used to be City Hall, 1939. Shows closed for renovations. Can't really see inside. We keep heading on down. There's some kayaks. What do we have here? The Manatee Paddle. Manatee Paddle. Their hours are Monday 8:30 to 5:30, Tuesday closed, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday 8:30 to 5:30, Sunday 12:30 to 5:30. And there's some prices they have. to go on a manatee tour. And then there's a law firm right here. So this is where we started. Just walked all the way down there. And we have, what is this? For sale. So nothing's in there right now. That's a great location if you have something you want to open up in the downtown area. Taekwondo. First class free. It's pretty neat. And then we have here Fish Hook Outfitters. Hours are Monday closed, Sunday closed, Tuesday through Saturday 10 to 4. See, they have just different types of clothing. Right here is KC Wine and Coffee Bar. There's their hours. Monday 11 to 8, Tuesday closed, Wednesday and Thursday 11 to 9, Friday and Saturday 11 to 10, Sunday 12 to 7. There's their menu, sign out front. And then over here we have St. John's Tavern. So they must have expanded. They used to just be in that one right there, and it looks like they bought out this one and have more seating. A little plaque on the building there. That looks, they did a really good job with this. Yeah, wow, they did really good. There's the specials. Hours Sunday through Thursday 11 to 11, Friday through Saturday 11 through 12. You can see St. John's Tavern. We have yet to eat here. We've been here, been in St. John's Tavern. It's been really busy every time we've gone. So that's probably why they decided to open up another side. There's a couple benches here. And this is a real estate office here at the corner. Now we're gonna cross over and go that way. We do have the Salty Girls Beach Shop right there. And then over there, I don't remember the name of that place, but it's got a lot. Secret Garden?
I think that's what it says.
Oh yeah, you're right. Secret Garden. It's very cool. It's got some really neat items in there. Now we're getting ready to cross US 19, which main road that goes north to south. Oh, there's Three Sister Springs, the little tour bus thing that will pick you up. Well, we're waiting to cross US 19, which will have most of your shops and stuff on it over here.
Like Tarpon Springs,
right.
Dunedin, and then all the way down.
Yep. All right, we got the walk sign. Like I said before, in the summer, this place is extremely busy around downtown here. This says store hours, Monday through Saturday, 10 to 6. Sunday is seasonal. And then just on down a little bit, here's the Cotton Club, women's apparel and gifts. Shows now open Sundays. And parking's gonna be right behind it there. Cattle Dog Coffee Roasters. Cattle Dog is good.
Recommend, highly recommend.
They have several locations in Citrus County. So we've gone to a few, and it's very good.
They have good food and coffee.
Yeah, very, very good. It looks to be open today. I can smell it right now too. It smells really good. See Cattle Dog. Then on down from that is the Tea House Cafe. I love this area too. It's nice because you can just walk everywhere. And then past that we have the Coastal Art Gallery.
I like that palm tree right there.
Oh, this one here? Little Dr. Seuss palm tree looking thing. Shows that the Coastal Art Gallery is open. And then we have another boutique and rock shop.
Ooh.
Karma Cottage just back there. They are also open. They have a Halloween sale. Boo. And then right here is the Land and Sea Decor.
This is fairly new.
Yeah, fairly new. Bigfoot's in there. New store. And then we'll probably cross up here. Here's the First Baptist Church of Crystal River. Probably cross right here and then go down the other side. Crossing over to the other side. And I mean, there's more to Crystal River than just this downtown, but part of our videos are just touring different downtowns throughout Florida.
Just where all the shops and some
Right.
restaurants are.
But we're gonna show this side, which is the Southern Babe Boutique.
This one has like multiple stores in it.
Yeah, this is a good section. We've gone in here. All about
For,
nature.
like, souvenirs, house decorations. I think there's clothes shops over here too.
There's nature, unique nature gifts and merchandise. And then that's still all about nature right there. It says open today till 5 p.m. Down there is some sort of gallery. And there's more shops on this side as well. This was a fun store. We've been in here, the Wizard of Oz at Heritage House. So this is Heritage House. Looks like they've got
a special thing they're doing.
Maybe. Oh, look.
Oh, that's neat.
That is so cool. We'll walk up here a little bit just to show the decorations. This is Heritage House. That is so cool. Oh yeah, it looks like that's the tornado. Oh yeah, that is really neat. They did really good with that. That's a fun store to go in too. They do a lot of seasonal holiday items as well.
Yeah.
Then on down, I can already smell it, but this should be Bubba Q's, and we actually did a video on Bubba Q's when we went to Three Sister Springs, filmed that, and then filmed Bubba Q's. I was just gonna show you, there's the free little library, little free library. Some books in there. But Bubba Q's is very good as well. It's a good barbecue place. It's kind of nice because it's right here in the downtown area, and I'll put that video at the end of this video that you can click on and watch if you want to check that out. So there's Bubba Q's. I guess there's the general store prior to Bubba Q's, and it shows they are open Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday 10 to 5, and Sunday 11 to 3. Got a couple pumpkin decoration people here playing some tic-tac-toe. General store. Here's the Bubba Q's. Like I said, Bubba Q's is very good. And then we're gonna head past Bubba Q's. We're almost back to the light. And there's the front entrance. As you can see on the door, it says front door. Come on in. Ooh, they've got some intense Halloween decorations. Right here we have the Glassworks. Looks like a neat little place. It's open. Right here is Anchored Souls. They are closed, so I'm guessing they are closed on today's a Sunday, so I'm guessing they're closed Sundays. Back up to the light. This is that secret garden place that is really cool to go in. You can see the water towers right over there. It's a secret garden. Gifts and decor. So you can kind of see based out front what kind of stuff they have. We're gonna click this to cross 19.
And I know that this is an area where they do a lot of their like festivals. They do like Friday events, and then even the Manatee Festival. I know they do that also.
And I think last year they started did they start ice skating here one weekend?
I don't know if
they
it's
did.
exactly in this spot, but this is a spot where they do a lot of those festivals.
Yeah, good point. All right, we got a walk sign, so we're heading over, and then we can show you all their little, like they've got the manatee statue right here with some fall decor. It's very pretty through here. All the colors are nice. And then over here, if we look at the little water fountain, there's the mural again with the manatees. Here's the water fountain. Nice couple benches around it. And that brought us right, warning, contains chemicals, do not enter. That brought us right back to the parking lot. And right here is a map of Crystal River area. So where does it say we are? Oh, there's the fountain. So and there's the restrooms. We're like right in here.
Yep.
We just walked this whole path, and you can see, oh, I know they said something about the city hall. You can get picked up to go to the springs, but
okay.
There's a manatee right there. And then over here is Three Sister Springs. So you can walk, but like I said, we walked all the way down that way. But
Wouldn't recommend.
Wouldn't recommend it, especially on a day like today, which is a really warm day, upper 80s. But you can see overall, that's the map of Crystal River. Over here by the restrooms, check this out. They have a little dog water bowl. All right, that was our tour of downtown Crystal River. Like we said, it's really a small, cool little town. And in the summer, it's very busy, rightfully so.
Yeah.
You are close to seeing the manatees over here, which is nice if you've never seen them. What is it, November through March is when they're over here almost every single day. So it's cool to go out there and look at those. And then there's a lot of just neat little stores and restaurants.
Yeah, if you're interested in nature and stuff like kayaking and that kind of thing, there's a lot of opportunities for that in Crystal River. And then, yeah, like you said, the shops and the restaurants are fun.
Yeah. With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.